Hello there, welcome to this Carbon Academy tutorial on A-level biology. In this video we'll be looking at taxis, kinesis and tropisms. So let's get started. These are the aims of this tutorial. We'll be defining the terms stimulus, taxis and kinesis. Then we'll understand what tropism is and describe the types. And finally understand how plants respond to stimulus with reference to indole acetic acid. So let's start by defining stimulus, which you will be familiar from GCSE. A stimulus is a change in the internal or external environment. A stimulus can stimulate a response. A taxis is defined as a directional response to a stimulus. Think of it like a taxi taking you to a destination. It goes there directly. A taxis is described as positive if movement is towards a stimulus, and negative if movement is away from the stimulus. Kinesis, as the word suggests, describes movement, but this does not have a direction. It's a bit like running away from a chasing dog. You won't know where to go but simply to run as fast as you can to a safe, favorable environment. Now let's look at the response in plants. A growth response in plants is defined as a tropism. Positive tropism is a growth response towards a stimulus, while negative is away from a stimulus. There are two main types of tropisms you need to know for A-level. One is gravitropism, also known as geotropism, where shoots show a negative gravitropism, while roots show a positive. Another one is phototropism, where shoots show a positive phototropism, while roots show a negative phototropism. Now let's see what causes the plants to respond like this. A type of auxin, called indole acetic acid, IAA for short, is the predominant auxin that stimulates growth in shoots and inhibits growth in roots. IAA is made in shoot tips and moves around the plant. It stimulates growth by making cell walls of plants loose and stretchy, causing cell elongation. With this information, let's explain phototropism. IAA moves to shaded side of the plant's shoot, so a higher concentration of IAA builds on the shaded side, causing cell elongation. This causes the plant to grow towards the direction of sunlight. Let's also explain gravitropism. Here, IAA moves in the direction gravity acts on, so a higher concentration of IAA builds on the bottom side. Since IAA inhibits growth in roots, the side with lower concentration of IAA grows more, and this will be in the direction gravity acts on. For AQA, it's good to know what evidence supports tropism. For example, removing or covering the shoot tip prevents tropism. This shows that most IAA is found in the shoot tip. Furthermore, placing mycin, a chemical that prevents IAA movement, inhibits tropism. This shows that tropism is caused by movement of chemicals such as indole acetic acid. So here's a recap of the aims that we covered in this tutorial. As usual, use them as questions to consolidate your understanding. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And do make sure to subscribe if you found this video useful.